In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brand your footer on WordPress.com. Whether you're new to WordPress or just looking to refresh your site, crafting a unique footer can make your site stand out and leave a lasting impression. Let's dive right in and transform that vanilla footer into something that truly embodies your brand's identity. First, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the hub where you can manage and tweak every aspect of your site. If you're not already familiar with it, the dashboard is accessed by appending WP admin to your site's URL. Once you're there, you'll find all the tools you need neatly organized on the left-hand sidebar. Next, we're going to focus on the appearance section. Clicking on this will reveal a slew of options related to how your site looks, from themes to widgets. We want the editor option under appearance. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to delve into the finer details of your site's design. Once inside the editor, you're going to find yourself on a page filled with possibilities. One of the immediate things you'll notice is the Design tab. Clicking on Design allows you to explore and select from a variety of templates. This can be helpful if you're looking to revamp your entire site's aesthetic, but for today, our main focus is on the footer. After selecting Design, let's take a moment to explore the Advanced settings. This option is a powerhouse of customizations, giving you additional settings that can help tailor your footer even more precisely to suit your brand's personality. Here you can tinker with the layout, color schemes, fonts, and just about anything else that can give your site that custom feel. In the Advanced section, you'll see an option to click on the footer specifically. Now, this is where you can get creative. You can customize various elements such as text, links, background colors, and images. Your footer isn't just a place for copyright statements or contact information. It's an opportunity to reiterate your brand's message, or even promote other content on your site, like recent blog posts or upcoming events. Take your time to experiment with different options and don't hesitate to preview your changes to see how they will appear to your visitors. Once you're satisfied with your footer's appearance, remember to save your changes. It's easy to overlook this step, but saving is crucial to ensure that all your hard work is reflected on your live site. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can create a footer that enhances your website's branding. It's often these little details that contribute significantly to your visitors' overall experience, so never underestimate the power of a well-branded footer. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy branding!